Franklin CA box ring number 15, 13, 14, totally certified team select. One box break. Current time and date 3:02, Thursday, July the 17th. That's Eastern time. Alright, here we go. Good luck. Box, 4 packs. Second one to the last. Pack number 1. Charlie Coyle, rookie for the Minnesota Wild. Brian Little, totally certified jersey for the Jets. Pack number 2. Sidney Crosby, red parallel, numbered 52 of 100 for the Penguins. Emerson Edom, rookie for the Anaheim Ducks. Sammy Vatanen, rookie roll call, also for the Anaheim Ducks. Rickard Rakell, rookie for the Ducks. We got our certified competitors, which will be randomed off at the end between the Toronto Maple Leafs and the Boston Bruins. Pack. Matt Nieto, red parallel rookie for the Sharks, numbered 38 of 100. Oh boy. Rookie prime jersey auto for the Colorado Avalanche, Nathan MacKinnon, numbered 17 of 25. Real nice hit there. Congrats, Colorado. There you go, guys. Thanks.